There are almost 10 Argo data viewers, some with more features than others. On this occasion, and for demonstration purposes, we will quickly check how the Argo data viewer works through the link provided below. After getting access to the website, we verify that the content is divided into 3 columns. The first of them is an efficient panel that allows us to filter the Argo floats through the site indexes. Let's say we would like to carry out the following search. A number of floats is still active, launched in 2018 by Spain, in the Atlantic Ocean, with an Argo's data transmission system that measures pressure, temperature, and salinity. We have it. Check the second column out. The data has been filtered according to our selection. If we go through the third column, there will be a map that shows the floats searched under our criteria. But let's go step by step. Once the first search has been performed, it is time to dig a bit in the second column. Information is displayed in columns giving us a rough idea about every float contained in the search above. Also, the WMO number is clicked. A new elaborated and detailed page is displayed on the screen. This board is divided into 3 sections. Main information, metadata information, and technical plots can be consulted. The main information paragraph contains simple information about the float. The right side of the board is really interesting since it gives updated information about the float. Status, last station date, last surface data, etc. Besides, at the bottom of the cycle activity paragraph, there is a link that allows us to download the station data and trajectory data. In this way, the Argo data viewer makes a call to Corellis GDAC, and data is provided as requested. In case that's not enough, a specific profile can be selected below if the user is interested. A new port that contains specific information on the selected profile will be opened. Profile data can be also downloaded through the link provided. The technical plot section is extremely helpful for users interested in technical information. We just need to take a look at the different parameters shown to understand their importance. The battery voltage, for instance. Finally, the metadata section contains the basics of the float. Through some drop-down buttons, information requested can be seen, from the platform itself to the mission configuration parameters, for example. Let's check the third column. Define this piece of the Argo data viewer. It provides a general view based on an interactive map. In this case, it shows a float deployed by Argo Spain in the Atlantic Ocean during 2018. Every float is represented by an orange placemark. Let's check it out. A small dashboard with brief information of the float is displayed, allowing us to get access to the trajectory performed by the float since its deployment. The trajectory contains the location where every cycle was performed by the Argo float. It gives the option to redirect to the second column shown above through a link provided, the WMO number. The Argo data viewer map can be configured to make the user experience as pleasant and fun as possible. Using the map option menu at the top right corner, one can display or hide other Argo floats nearby, and/or change the base map to have, for instance, more accurate bathymetry in the European seas. Other contextual information, such as daily surface currents, average deep current, daily sea ice coverage, or sea surface temperature, can be overlaid.